So Galliford Try is a UK construction business. We operate from the Highlands in Scotland down to the southwest in England. We've got a real focus on risk management, on commercial discipline, and all of that leads to a really high quality order book and a great pipeline for the business. We've also got an excellent balance sheet, which is strong with net cash. We've got no debt, we've got no pension deficits, and we've got a portfolio of PFI assets on the balance sheet as well. Our work is focused in core sectors that we operate in, so particularly education, and we typically have perhaps 30 or 40 schools under construction at any one time. And alongside education, also health, defence, highways and water, so areas that we've got real core and proven expertise. And our strategy is all about our vision and our values. We strive to be a people-orientated, progressive business. Clear focus obviously on health and safety, but across our 6 pillars of sustainability. And we think that really helps us drive value for all of our stakeholders. So the market at the moment is really good and strong tailwinds for the industry. So the UK built environment is in need of renewal. There's a growing and an ageing population in the UK. And as well as that, there's a focus on decarbonisation and digitalisation in the UK. So there's some really good tailwinds for us. And we have around 85% of our work is with the public and regulated sectors. So what that means is that we're really well placed to work with the government on their investment strategy when they're looking to invest in infrastructure, to invest in the UK built environment as part of their economic response to the pandemic. So there's some really good opportunity for us in the market. Our order book at the moment is focused on, let's say, the public and regulated sectors, and it's focused on areas where we've got long-term framework positions and long-term client relationships. And both of those two things really help us manage the risk within our order book. At the end of June 2020, our order book was £3.2 billion. That gave us visibility of about 90% of this financial year's revenue and about 3/4 of next financial year's revenue. And what that means is it gives us a really strong platform to work from and allows us to be really selective in the contracts that we bid for. And again, that comes back to the risk management in the business, and that's embedded throughout the business from top to bottom. So the quality and the risk profile of that order book is what gives us real confidence in the business going forwards. Sure. So look, in January 2020, we successfully demerged our house building business and also recapitalised our construction business at the same time. Bill Hocking took over as chief executive and brought with him a wealth of commercial experience and real commercial discipline to that role. And importantly, we'd also restructured the construction business in the summer of 2019. So you put all of those things together, and that gives us the basis of the strong standalone construction business that we are today. I think as well, I can't really discuss the last 12 months without talking about COVID-19. And clearly our people were our key priority through the pandemic. But I've been really impressed by how our people responded and stepped up to the mark to really implement the new operating procedures that we put in place to keep our sites safe and to keep our sites operating effectively and keep our output high. So although we had to close our Scottish business in the spring of 2020 because the Scottish government required that as part of their lockdown, since the 1st of July 2020, we've been open across all of our sites and our productivity has been at normal levels. So put all that together, and again, we're really well placed to contribute to the UK's economic recovery from the pandemic. So overall, I would characterise 2020 as a year of successful transition. So we moved from being a hybrid business to a construction business, and we're looking and expecting to return to profitability in the half year through to December 2020 and to reinstate dividends as a result. So Galliford Try is a great opportunity to really improve people's lives by working on building the infrastructure and the facilities that our communities need. And we're focusing on being a people-orientated, progressive business. What that means is it helps us to attract, to retain, to develop the best people, the best supply chain, and work with the best clients in the industry. And that's pivotal to us delivering our strategy. Alongside that, we're focused on cost on commercial discipline, on risk management, and making sure that we've got the right quality in our order book. And the quality of that order book will again help us to really drive our margin improvement. So you put all of that together, and our strategy is all focused on delivering quality, bottom line, earnings growth.